Actress Kazi Naushab Ahmed. She's back on television after a long break. She stars in a new television drama titled Daitto Bier Por, directed by Chayonika Chaudhary. Naushaba said she is returning to the small screen after many years. She has been active in theater, but she's been away from the camera. The actress shared that the story of the drama is very beautiful, and working with Chanika Chaudhary again, she felt special. Director Chanika Chaudhary also expressed her joy. She said it has been 4 years since she last worked with Naushaba in the previous project Tuminaki Ami. Praising Naushaba's dedication, she added that Naushaba is soft spoken, always on time, rehearses properly, and gives her best in every scene. The drama also features Irfan Sajjad and Aisha Khan in key roles. Daitto Bir Por will soon be released on Shopnodhara's YouTube channel. Recently, Naushaba appeared in the Bangla film Joto Kando Kolkatai, directed by Anik Dotto, alongside popular actor Abir Chatterjee. The film was released in Kolkata last September. This marks a warm and much awaited comeback for one of Bangladesh's most talented actresses.